y'all, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to be installing a wig that I got from Luvme Hair. All the information for this hair of course will be in the description box below. So this is the wig right here. This is a 12-inch elegant like loose wave wig. It has like a brown mix with black as far as the color. It's short, so it's like 12 inches, which means it's like really lightweight and it's a really effortless wig to install. It's also like super low maintenance and it doesn't have any tangles. So this wig is glueless. The only thing that you have to do is cut the lace. So this is what the inside looks like. This is the lace here. And this is the wig. It comes in kind of like a T part. As you can see, the part is already here and then it has a little lace across the front. It comes with 2 combs on the sides and it has the elastic band here that's sewn onto the wig, and it also has a comb at the bottom as well as the adjustable straps here. And if you look closely, this is like a breathable wig. Like on the inside you can see it's like a mesh. Oh, I don't know if the camera is picking it up. Kind of see it a little bit there. So it's like mesh and it's like really breathable, which makes it ultra lightweight. But yeah, this is the curl pattern. It's really pretty, and the color is super pretty too. So in the box they send you this really cute dust bag to put your hair in, which we absolutely love because you got to store your wigs. Oh, it comes with a really cute brush, super cute. I'll be using that. It also comes with a wig cap and these little bands to help keep, it's clear so you can't really see it, but these bands to help keep your wig from sliding. All right, so let's go ahead and get to installing this wig. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off my cap. Y'all, I'm in these same braids. Pray for me, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the wig cap that they sent in the box. But you don't have to use a wig cap at all if you don't want to, because honestly, ooh, I like that this wig cap is super dark. Oh my gosh. This is the first time I've seen a wig cap this dark. I am so, that literally matches my complexion. Like, I'm so excited. Oh, thank you y'all, because I do not have to put any makeup on this. That is so handy. So I'm just gonna put on this wig cap, slide it back, make sure my hair is tucked in, and now I'm gonna slide the wig on my head. Oops. All right. So I'll put the comb in the back. I know I said earlier it has combs on the sides, but I never really used the side comb. So I guess I can. Hold on, let me see. Yep, so I'm sliding on the combs on the sides. I feel like this helps make it like extra secure. All right. So this is what she's looking like. And now mind you, I didn't bleach any knots. I didn't pluck the hairline. I didn't do anything to this wig but just take it out the box and put it on. So this is exactly how it comes. So if you're not into like doing a lot to the hair honestly, or if you don't know how, you just want something that you can just put on and go, this is definitely the hair for you, you know. Or if you just want to like switch up your hairstyle real quick and you don't have to do too much, because y'all know switching it up is everything. So you know, you could just like take off your other wig and slide this one on, slide this off and put something else on. Like, it's really easy to change. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead now and cut off the lace. So I'm just taking my razor and trying to cut in like a zigzag motion, just to not cut like a super straight line. But this lace is like super easy to cut off, and y'all know like I hate having to cut lace, and this lace is like super easy to cut off. Okay, and that's literally it. You can see how flat it's like laying on my head already, but it's like completely glueless. When I say you really don't have to do anything to this hair at all, I literally mean it. I have a whole comb up under here, but like I don't have to do anything. It is super seamless. So I'm gonna take this down, and of course I'm gonna brush out the curls and stuff. I'm not gonna wear it exactly like this. I think I'm gonna pluck the part a little bit. But yeah, so as you can see, this wig is completely ready to go. Like if you want to slide it on and like just touch it up a little bit, we could go just like this, and it has so much body. And also, let's just do a shake test. As you can see, I'm shaking my head like back and forth, and it is not sliding at all. Like, it's super, super secure. Now I'm just gonna take some of my concealer and put it along the part. And I'm gonna take the brush that they sent to kind of like brush out these curls some, because they're like, you know, a little stiff right now. Alright, so when you brush out the curls, this is what the hair looks like. I'm gonna fix up the front a little bit, but this is the curl pattern. So you can see it's like super thick and full. It's like really cute. I think if you wore this as like a side part, yeah, if you wore this as like a side part or something, it would be really, really cute. Yeah, I'm feeling it more as a side part. This is really cute like this. You can flip it to this side. You can see how much body it has. Like, look at the back. But yeah. Alright, so now I'm just gonna do my edges on my hair. Because as you can see, like, I have my hair here, and I want to lay down my sideburns so that they're like smooth. I think I want to cut just a little bit in the front here on each side of this part, just to make it more me. Like, I just, yeah, like, this is cute. You can wear it plain like this if you want to, but that is not my personality. And so I'm just gonna cut just a little bit, nothing too crazy, just right here. Alright, so this is like a nice little natural looking baby hair, and I'm gonna wrap it. Alright, now while that's sitting, I'm gonna fix the front a little bit. I think because it was sitting in the box, like the front of the hair falls kind of weird from sitting, so I'm just going to just make it like shape my face just a little bit. I literally only cut like that much, but just so it can like frame my face. And now I'm just putting some finishing touches on it. I realized it was a little lopsided and looked a little bit weird. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the hot comb and I'm making it flat at the top, and then I'm taking my wand curler and I'm just putting a couple of curls in the front going away from my face, just to hopefully make each side look even, because it looked a little uneven. So I just wanted to make sure it looked even and give a clean finishing touch. So this is the final look, and it came out really, really cute and neat. I really, really love how thick and full the wig is, and it has like a lot of bounce and a lot of movement, and the curls are really pretty. It also holds a curl really, really well, especially like the front part where I had to wand curl it. It came out really, really nice looking, and I was really pleased with the final result. Yeah, this is a really nice wig for the summertime. If you're looking for like a cute curly bob wig, definitely check this one out. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. If you all have any questions or any comments, concerns, anything like that, make sure to leave it in the comment section. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.